Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook business page open hours. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Facebook, then click on your profile icon on the top right. Then to change it to business page, obviously just click on this little arrow on the top right and then select your business page. Once you're on here, click on your profile icon on the top right, then click on your name at the top. Once you're on here, select the three little dots on the right hand side near the middle, and then you should have edit option near the top, so you want to click on there. Once you're on here, just scroll down. You should come to hours underneath details, so you want to click on that. Then scroll down again and it'll give you the option to add hours, so you want to click on there. So originally it'll have no hours available, so what you can do is click on that and it'll give you multiple options, so you can select always open, permanently closed, temporarily closed, or standard hours. Then it'll give you the option to edit them hours as well, so you can just go on there and select the certain days that you want. You can just go and change the times if you want to click on them, and then you can add additional hours as well. Obviously edit that to whatever suits you as well. And then just select done at the bottom. And that's how you can add hours, open hours, to your Facebook business page. Thanks for watching.